Okay. Coach Louis Ball. Ito, sinusubaybayan lahat. Number 17, wala. Okay, 4-1 ang laban pa rin at Team Coach Louis. The big man? No, good. Number 74. Good boy shot. Wala. Magandang ito din bagang ko. Very good. Number 17 is good. 19 pala, 19, sorry. Number 5. 2 points. Habang sila, 7-3. Team Coach Neil winning 3 points. First round. And tingnan natin kung papasok ba sila. Nagtutulog din number 44 again with building a 2-point shot. Lumag na sa alam ng malaman. Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng Jerry Ricks. 8-8 plus B. Number 17. Number 38. 14. Ayun. Lutuwa pa. Number 19. Again, we're opening the basket. Ito, ang kalamangan. But don't you worry guys, matalo lang kayo dito. May chance pa rin kayo for the battle for third. Oops! Team Disciples and Team Ultimate Squad A. Get ready for your semifinals at this team. Isang exciting matchup na naman kung sila papasok sa ating finals round. Oh no, that's no good. Okay, tingnan natin kung sigurado rin yan at the half step. Number 7 nilalabas. Number 5, no good. Number 17, Pilse, wala pa rin. Hindi tumamaya, kaya it's a good call. Yalang na ng wala, number 17. To number 5, fake. No, number 17. Okay. Orange ball. Ito na. Tingnan natin ang kanyang gagawin. Number 5. No good. Number 17 to number 25. Inubos na lang ang oras. Papasok na yan, wala pa rin. Kaya ito na rin, binigay niya namin na ito. Napakainit talaga. Okay, converting again. 2 points, 1 point shot. For number 17. Number 25. Floater. Wala ka number 25. Floater again. Connect na yan. 24. Laman ng siya. Ito. Wala na tayo. Rolling foul. Abang na lang. Ultimate Sports B. Don't give up. Okay, may foul na naman yan. 13 foul. Okay, number 5. Short for 2, no good. Uy, pinasa pa. Wala, number 17. Last 44 seconds. It's a foul again. That's not a good fake after all. 37.8 seconds. Tingnan natin kung isasalari ng ano. Ang bintana ng Bruce Louis for the first finals appearance. 33 seconds. Okay, recognize na lang 30 seconds. Lumabas na sa tail. Nakuha pa. Last 18 seconds. May foul tayo dyan. 50 seconds, mag-ready na kayo. Team Ultimates, Sport A. Tapa, right sa block. Wala. 6 seconds, wait for the buzzer. I-score pa yan. Nakakagaling talaga.